Lives in Savai Madhopur district have been completely affected due to continuous rainfall in the past few days. Waterlogging and flood-like conditions have in fact been reported from various parts. Many villages have been submerged with water entering into the houses of people. Army, NDRF and SDRF have responded to the crisis. So far, 13 people have lost their lives.
Rajasthan is hit by massive flood this monsoon season. NDTV is right now in Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan, and this is the Surval village, which is one of the worst affected areas by the flood. The reason for flood in this area is because of overflow of Surval Dam, which is nearby to this village. And just in front of me, I'll show you the visuals of how this whole area is affected by the continuous rainfall, and after that the flood situation in this area. This is the road which connects village to the main town of Savai Madhopur. On my both hand side you can see houses which are drowned in deep water, and just in front of me till wherever you can see, you will just see water in and around this area. The people living in these homes right now faces multiple challenges, as in of their livelihood, as in of their food and everything. And this is what we can show you right now here in this whole area. If I talk about the data, around 13 people have died in Rajasthan due to continuous rainfall. And in this whole area, what I can see from ground zero is all the homes, water have entered inside the homes of people. Most of them have vacated their houses. Those who are living here are facing multiple challenges as of supply of ration items, basic necessity of food in and around this whole area. And this is where we are right now, and this is the whole situation from ground zero. I am Chandan Bharadwaj with my camera person Shiv Kumar, reporting for NDTV from Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan.